Hi everyone, hope you're well. So welcome back to for another video with regards to the MGHS, and it's a feature of the adaptive cruise control which we will be looking at. So if you haven't watched the other videos, subscribe to our channel and please go through the videos. So today we are looking at the traffic jam assist. So we are here at a traffic jam. So you can see that there's a car to car, bumper to bumper traffic right now. So to activate it, so you just need to first bring the adaptive cruise control lever at the front, right? And then you can double tap it to enable the MG pilot uh, sign, which is over there. You can see that. Then secondly, what you need to do is you need to just accelerate a bit. This is the adaptive cruise control screen, so you just need to accelerate a bit. So while accelerating, what you need to do is you need to press this button to set the cruise control. So you can see that it's set on 30. So let me adjust the distance to be covered as well. So right now it's at 3 cars. Now I'm making it at 2, and now it's at 1. So I've set the distance to 1 car. That's how much it's leaving. So now I need to accelerate a bit and set it. So now it's set at 30. Now it's braking and it would be accelerating at the same time by itself. So you can see that I'm not holding the accelerator or the brake control. I'm not my foot is off the pedal. My foot is off the pedal, and it's in traffic jam assist. It would sometimes say that please press the accelerator or the ACC control to move forward, but you just need to tap it once again and then it would just go forward. This is the kind of distance it's leaving in front of us. So it is a little bit too much for the road conditions over here, and but it's a good feature if you are going in a lane keeping or lane marked road, as well as some traffic jams near on the signal or something. So you can see that the adaptive cruise control feature is green, it's enabled. Now it's following the, so this helps you follow the car would follow the car in front. The edges would follow the car in front, and you don't need to brake or accelerate. It would just keep on going, and it would even maneuver the steering wheel as well. So you can see that it's maneuvering the steering wheel. I'm not holding it. It's braking itself. It's accelerating itself. It's keeping a track of the car. So this is a very wonderful feature. So this is a feature of the adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control works at more than 30. Below the 30 speed, the traffic jam assist is enabled. So you can see that sometimes it would be alarming you to mention that the ACC or the MG pilot is disabled or has been quit. That is done because when there are no lane markings which it can identify, it just gives you an error. But it still is maneuvering and following the car in front, and there's no accelerator or brake pedal I'm pressing over here. I can deactivate it easily by just pressing the brake, and the way we disable the adaptive cruise control. So that's something. So it's a very useful feature that you can utilize for traffic jams. So the best way to turn on, let me guide you on the best way to turn on the traffic jam assist is that if you're foreseeing that there's going to be a traffic jam in the upcoming area, so what you can do is you can, while driving, you can set the adaptive cruise control to a speed of 30 or below, and it would just help you enable the traffic jam assist. So that's the video for today. So this is the TJA feature. Again, I want to inform you that it's enabled or disabled through the adaptive cruise control lever, and when it's enabled, all the adaptive cruise control logo at the top and the MG pilot would be green. Logo icon at the bottom would be green, and the speed would be, the cruise speed would be set at 30 kilometers per hour. So you can also adjust the distance between the car in front and yourself by rotating this. So right now it's at the one car, a distance of minimal distance of one car, and then you can adjust it for future as well, for further distance by increasing it, right? So that's all for now. So this is a very good, useful feature of the MG Pilot. Let me know in the comments area if you want to see any other video, or if you have tried the Traffic Jam Assist. Thank you so much, and would love that for you to subscribe. I would love that you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.